Hi there, De-Crypt here again with another exciting update from Cryptobontix and Arbitrade and all their coins, all the associated coins. I'm a little bit late with this one. No problem though. I think this news is exciting nonetheless. A lot of people have the news already, but I thought I'll just share it on my channel just so that you are updated and know that this is going up. As you know, Cryptobontix and Arbitrade are or always were sister companies. It has now been announced that Arbitrade, the decentralized blockchain exchange, as well as the mining company associated with it, which is all under the Arbitrade umbrella, has now announced that they will be taking over Cryptobontix. Now, Cryptobontix was the holder of the five or all the associated coins with the Cryptobontix and Arbitrade organization. I'm just going to read through the news release here, the press release, and we can discuss a few facts after that. The press release states Arbitrade Exchange Incorporated to acquire Cryptobontix Incorporated. New York, March the 7th, 2018, Globe News Wire. Arbitrade, a cryptocurrency exchange and mining company, will acquire its partner company, Cryptobontix, in an acquisition that will be completed later this month. Arbitrade's management, having built the board of both companies, will now operate both entities as one operation and will keep the same management and board of directors. Cryptobontix is the owner-operator of 5 digital cryptocurrencies that will be backed by gold, other bullion, other cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrency mining. A spokesman for Cryptobontix explained it will tie traditional mining or bullion, or rather mining for bullion, to cryptocurrency mining. The first 4 tokens in that which Cryptobontix refers to as their ingot family of tokens is Dignity, formerly known as Unity, Namaste, NAM, Oretic, which is the ORE, formerly known as the Life token, and the Honor token. All 4 tokens will be backed by gold, silver, platinum, and palladium respectively in the same order and have a locked dollar value, $1, $2, $3, and $4 consecutively. Each of these 4 tokens will commence operating starting with 5,000 mining rigs each, and the company hopes to have all 20,000, that's 20,000 mining rigs, in operation not later than May of this year. Describing its mining formula, a spokesman said the company uses 50% of its daily mine proceeds, which is used to pay for the backing of the token, whether bullion or alternative cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, 20% is used to purchase more mining rigs, which creates a growth factor, while 15% is used to support the token's markets and a further 15% is used for operational expenses. The company expects to have over 1,500 cryptocurrency mining rigs operating online by April 2018. That's April the 1st. At today's earnings and current cryptocurrency prices, the 1,500 mining rigs have the potential to generate approximately $250,000 per month, according to the company's mining consultant. Given yesterday's announcement, Arbitrade is aggressively seeking as many cryptocurrency mining rigs as possible to fulfill all 40,250 rigs, planning to officially launch entire operation. I would imagine that's supposed to say the entire operation. Arbitrade, through its proprietary software and strategic partnerships, plans to be in all segments of cryptocurrency business, including currency mining, trading, the Arbitrade exchange, gift cards, debit cards, money transfer, and point-of-sale processing. Now, let's just go back to some of the figures they're mentioning here. The 5 tokens, the Dignity token, which is already being traded. The other tokens are already on the market, although they're not being traded. They haven't been officially launched. If you are in, or rather if you have an account with Lifecoin, you will find all of these tokens listed there already. Unfortunately, they're not able to be traded yet. So these coins are real, they're there. The exciting thing is that as we know, the Dignity token, formerly known as Unity, is already going to be backed by $1 worth of gold. The exciting part is the other tokens actually go up in value each. So by $1 each, so it's $2, $3, and $4 per token respectively, which is quite exciting. once they reach full market cap, the value of these things, and as we know, they have a buyback policy with all of these tokens, it's going to be the same. The buyback policy, and as well as the exponential growth in the mining, the cryptocurrency mining, is going to make these tokens extremely valuable. And it's not going to, well, it might start off a little bit slow, but as we know, with anything exponential, it accelerates at an accelerating pace. So the graph sort of steepens and steepens as we go. It's going to be pretty exciting. They talk about their growth formula, and 50% of the daily mined proceeds, which is used to pay for the backing of the token, whether bullion or alternative cryptocurrency. So every day's profits, they take half or 50% of it, and they're going to be either buying either one of the, or any one of these precious metals, whether it be gold, platinum, palladium, silver. They're going to be either buying that, or they're going to be investing in the most profitable cryptocurrencies of the day. And I would imagine they can obviously, of the cryptocurrencies that they are holding, they can also exchange that for any of these metals at the same time, depending on which is more profitable at the time. They're going to be using 20% is used to purchase more mining rigs. So this is where the exponential growth in the mining comes in, because every day 20% of their earnings gets used to purchase more mining rigs. So the more they mine, the faster they mine, the more mining rigs they buy, the faster they mine. So the mining itself is also going to be exponential. Although, as we know, the difficulty rate of mining coins, especially like Bitcoin, the difficulty rate is rising as well. But I think this formula of theirs actually outpaces the mining difficulty rate by quite a bit. And then it says 15% is used to support the token's markets, and a further 15% is used for operational expenses. We know that in that one of those 15% is also part of their buyback program, where they buy back tokens every month and burn them, which literally raises the value of the tokens that are still out there. The company expects to have 1,500 cryptocurrency mining rigs operating online by April the 1st. Now, we know that they have already commenced mining, so they're probably well on their way to this figure, and I'm sure they will be announcing it very soon that they have this figure of 1,500 mining rigs sorted, and these guys are earning some money already. We know they are mining already. 1,500 mining rigs have the potential to generate approximately $250,000 a month. Now, that is a fair amount of money. Given those percentages, half of that, $125,000, is going to be used to buy backing either metals or cryptocurrency for the coins. This is exciting stuff. These guys have come up with a great formula as far as I'm concerned, and as far as I know, nobody else has ever done anything even remotely similar to this. It is a winning formula, and it is, on paper, it is definitely doable and profitable and sustainable. And that's the biggest thing with all of these schemes out there. I call them schemes because that's all they are. They're not sustainable. In the long run, none of them can work. But given these numbers, if they stick to these numbers and operate like this, which I'm sure they are going to, there's no ways that they can actually go down. Everything is sustainable. It is a profitable, reputable business model. I thought I'll just bring you that quick news update. I'm sure there's going to be more news coming out more frequently, and bigger news. Bigger and more frequently is what we all want. As we saw yesterday, there was a rise in the price of the Dignity token. I'm sure that was largely due to this news release or press release coming out and the news spreading. I'm looking forward to more news like this and bringing it to you. If you like what you hear, give us a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Definitely subscribe to get some more news. I plan on keeping you informed of what's happening, and we are also going to start maybe reviewing what is happening in the rest of the cryptocurrency world with the other cryptocurrencies, and I might give you some of my opinions. I'm not an expert charter or anything else. I do dabble in it, and I do make a little bit of money trading, so we might get into a little bit of charting at some point. But I think we might just review a few of the altcoins or some of the cryptocurrencies the main ones, and just keep an eye on them, see where they're going. We are pretty low in the market at the moment. We are in the bottom, very low, but I have it on good authority that things are about to change, and there are a few coins that you need to be into, you need to have, as far as the people that know are concerned, that know far more than I do. So we can get into that as well. I might produce a video either later on or tomorrow on that. In the meantime, let's get out there and make some money. Cheers.